Dear student, today I discuss the chapter friction. In this chapter I discuss the topic angle of friction. What do you mean of angle of friction? That is the angle which the resultant static frictional force makes with the normal reaction capital R is called the angle of friction. As you know, last class I also discussed this one. Now discuss the next topic. So now how to find the angle of friction, bete? So suppose this is an inclined plane and one block are situated on there and inclination is theta, that is angle of friction you can see. So here reaction is this and in middle weight mg will act in downward and this is same by geometry. So this is mg cos theta, is resolved in two components. One is horizontal component, that is mg cos theta, and another is mg sin theta, is a vertical component. Suppose in any situation that will move in downward, then one frictional force is acting opposite to that direction, that is the static frictional force is here, not moving continue, but that will start to move. So in this, before that condition, that acting force between both surfaces, contact surface is Fs, that is frictional force, like this one. So at in equilibrium situation at any instant so here you can say this is equal to that, you can Fs is equal to mg sin theta, take one, and same here reaction R is equal to mg cos theta, second. So now if divide 1 by 2, so we get Fs upon R is equal to mg sin theta upon mg cos theta. Now mg cancel, so Fs upon R is equal to tan theta. So this is another formula. So but you know that Fs is equal to mu s into R. In last class I discussed you all. So that become tan theta is equal to mu s into R upon R cancel. So tan theta is equal to mu s. So here mu s is a coefficient of static frictional force. Okay, I hope no any problem, clear. But now next topic is types of kinetic friction. There are two types of kinetic friction. Number one, sliding friction. Number two, rolling friction. Okay. Now first topic is sliding friction. What is sliding friction? When any body slides on an inclined plane, then acting frictional force between that contacts of both surfaces is known as the sliding friction. For example, we are taking here one surface like this one, this is a smooth surface, and when another body is this one, that will when this will still on there like that, when some inclination will be increases, then that will already move. So here these and these steps act in between, that is the body is sliding continuously. So you can say that acting friction between both surfaces is known as the sliding friction. Okay, clear? Not any doubts? Okay. Now next one is here rolling friction. When any body, any wheel or cylindrical which are move on horizontally, then the acting force between that contact surfaces is known as the rolling friction. For example, this is the surface and this is a rolling surface, rolling body, you can say like a cylindrical shape or So when this body is still on there, and then they will move like this one. So in between both surfaces, here and there, that there is acting some frictional force that is in contact surface, that is called the rolling friction. I hope that clear. Okay. So beta, okay. Now next topic is methods of reducing friction. There are usual methods of that are used the person by reducing any friction. Now there are three types. One is polishing that are used. So between the any surface, on any surface we can use the polish like a paint, some other thing. Then surface will be make a shining and smooth. Then in this situation the friction will be reduced. So there is one method. And now second is lubrication. So you can lubricate, give add some oil or grease in their instrument, so then the vehicle will move continuously without any feel forces opposed to the motion that you can use in vehicle. So that is called lubrication. And third one use using ball bearings. Number of moving bodies, then there are use the ball bearings in there. So by using that instrument, that things body or vehicle will move continuously without any opposed forces due to, then the body will continue to move regularly. They are not feeling any external force. So by using that, you can friction will reduce. So we are use there are that three methods generally in daily life. So friction you can reduce. Okay. Now thanks.